If you're feeling unfulfilled, drained, and just tired of working at your job, it's okay. That's normal. It happens. But you can't just stay there and let life pass you by. You need to switch gears, and you need to do it fast because you only get one life and you can't go backwards with time. I felt the same way at one point. I worked many jobs in a lab, as a real estate agent, so many different things, and I just kept feeling unfulfilled and not gratified, and I had to switch gears to figure out what I truly wanted in my life. And the best thing that has ever happened to me was e-commerce, selling physical products online. And it's not easy letting something go, right? You have to stop worrying about what people think, how people are going to perceive you, if they're talking this, talking that, judging you, and you just have to focus on yourself and what you truly want in life. So forget the naysayers, take that step forward and do something that's truly fulfilling to you and put yourself first. Let's fucking go!